up, YouTube? Just coming to you, try to do a little short video here, just talking about some different things. Really, it's winter time. It's the struggle to find content. It's been cold here, not a whole lot going on. Middle of January, and so not a lot here in West Virginia going on race car wise. You know, got parts coming in for different projects and things like that, but not a whole lot of racing, and don't want to delve into some different topics just yet. I'm going to get a little bit more organized with my thoughts on things before I put videos out about certain things that we're going to talk about. Try to do some reviews of some different parts that I've got on my car. I've been meaning to do for a while. My car is down for some maintenance, and so when it gets back up and running, we're going to do some videos about it and some of the things that I have put on that car. The leash, some of the suspension, Viking double adjustable shocks, and you know, just give my opinions and my general, you know, take on those things. I've already done one on 3 Performance on the twin kit, and hopefully we'll be doing one on a Fox body kit here soon. It should be good. I've got an on 3 76mm turbo right now that we've actually got for sale, but I may do a review on it. And so yeah, just trying to sort of struggling to find some content. What I'm probably going to do is go back to I'm going to look for some old school footage of some vehicles that me and my friends have had, and see if there's any videos there that I haven't posted, and show some of you guys those different things, some of the things that we started out with. A lot of those are on this channel, so if you want to go take a look at those, like my first real performance car, well, I guess you would call it that. I don't think I have any videos of it, but I have some videos of the 91 GT that I really started. It was like my first turbo car, and that's the video that I have of it is when it was all motor. But it's like the first video that I ever put on YouTube. So yeah, trying to put more videos out because of this whole monetization, demonetization thing. Not really worrying about it a whole lot, because I mean, I'm really not in it for the money or anything like that. It's you know, I just enjoy, you know, seeing if people are interested in the things that I'm interested in. You're supposed to have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, and although I'm climbing steadily, I'm not going to reach it there by that time. It's not really a big deal to me, but I'm trying to put some more videos out just so I can get a little bigger fan base going here, and so more people will see it. So try to put some different things out in the next few weeks. I'm going to put a video together here shortly. I'm actually sending my leash off to have some things put on it. Try to get the bump box working on my car, and see how that goes. I don't know if it'll work or not, but we'll see how it goes. Other than that, you know, we've got February, March, and then April really starts racing. March, there's some racing. Wilkesboro Dragway, I'm probably going to try to make the street car event there. If you can hear my dog, I apologize. She won't shut up. It's no biggie. But she just won't shut up no matter what we do. Always looking at something. There's some deer across the road right now, and so she's obsessed with those. So, but yeah, we've got the street car deal there at Wilkesboro. Trying to figure out whether I want to go to Street Car Takeover in Columbus or Street Car Takeover in Charlotte this year. I've been to Charlotte twice. It's going to be right near July 4th, and I just don't know if I feel like taking all, you know, that's going to be hot, and I don't know if I want to change things up and go to Columbus, and I hear that there's a little better street scene there, or if I want to take and go to Charlotte again. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not really sure which way I want to go with that. Never been up to Columbus during Street Car Takeover. Really never had done anything car related north of like Kanawha Valley Dragway. So I'd like to go up there and see some different cars. It's always fun to go, just like the English Mountain Dragway, it's always fun to go and see cars that you've never seen before. So I'd definitely like to do that. I'm going to see if anybody wants to go that way. I know a lot of people from our group are going to probably be going towards Charlotte because that's just where a lot more people live down that way. But I may change it up this year and see what we can get going. Then, April starts some fun street stuff. I am going to do a pretty cool video. I say cool, but we'll see how it goes. But I'm going to ask my wife some questions about street racing and get her reaction. So if you stay tuned, we're going to put out more videos, some more quality videos. Some of it may be me rambling, but some of it may be some information that some of you guys will appreciate. We'll see. Most of my stuff is going to be the S197 based chassis stuff, so because that's just what the car is. But we'll see. As time goes on, we may do some videos. We'll have some customers through KOTV Motorsports buying some different things here lately, and so we'll see if maybe we can do some reviews on that product if the customers will let us. And but yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot more to come, so it should be fun. But just stay tuned. We'll catch you next video. Peace out.